हेलो गाइस, क्या आपने कभी एनालिसिस किया है रीजनिंग का? हेलो एवरीवन, दिस इज़ द मॉक टेस्ट ऑफ रीजनिंग एबिलिटी ऑफ बैंकिंग। सो इसमें हम बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ ऑब्जर्व करने वाले हैं। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट दिस वीडियो। लेट्स स्टार्ट आवर वीडियो। सो यहाँ पर देखिए कि आप एनालिसिस व्हेन यू एनालाइज योर टेस्ट, देन remember one thing, then you have to observe everything which is written here, like your timing, average timing, and if there is a topper's timing, because these are very important to compare the time frame, okay, among a average, topper and you. So this is very important timing. And second is, you can analyze that how many minutes or second you are taking further than a topper or average time frame. So that's why focus here. Then after that, you have to focus here, percentage answered correctly. How many aspirants have been attempted this question correctly? So this percentage also helps you to remember to observe very important thing about all those aspirants who are taking this test. And here is 86%, here 82, 86, and then 62. Means most of the question, most of the aspirant approximately here 42. 38% aspirant have not been skipped this question, or delete, or maybe they have attempted wrong option chosen, or they have chosen wrong option. So that's why the percentage of here is reduced. Next, 91% correctly, then 82%, 85%, 60%, 56%, 55%, approximately 45% aspirant have been either skip this question or choose their option incorrect. So that's why their answer will be wrong. That's why there is only 55% answer correctly. Here for 59%, here 55. You can assume, you can observe here that many students are skipping this type of statement of the question, because they are feeling a little bit difficult to arrange all these persons according to the situation or direction which is given here. So many 45% aspirant have been skipped this, or maybe their options are wrong. Here's 54%, here 50%. So this is the floor, flat and floor question. Four floor and 8 flats. So these are type of question have been skipped by 50% aspirants. Flat, so because it takes a little bit more time to solve, that's why aspirant have been skip this question for letter U. Next, this is 44%, 50%, 47, 43, and this is only 35, means 65% aspirant have not attempted this question. Here 25, it is not they feels a little bit difficult, that's why they have skipped this. Approximately you can see here only 23% have attempted. It means that 72% aspirant have been skipped this question. Okay, so this is 65%, this is 58%, 76, 75, 67, 70, 44. This type of question is a little bit difficult. It is not difficult, but yes, time taking. So time taking questions have been skipped by many aspirants. 67%, and here only 1%. Look guys, here only 1% have been answered correctly. There is liar, rail, lira. Lira is the currency of Turkey and northern Cyprus. Okay, so liar, rail, or lira, and I think rial. This is also currency of Arab countries, one of Arab countries. So there is 4, and there is 1 also. Let me show you here. Liar, a person who doesn't tell the truth. Real, liar, LAIR. And here is liar, झूठ बोलने वाला, LIAR. LAIR, a place to rest or hide. Okay, okay, so this is the new word. Riyal, this is the monetary unit of Saudi Arabia, Qatar or Yemen. Lira is also official currency of Turkey and Northern Cyprus. So we mostly student have been aware lyre and rail, but not all these three. So that's why it is a little bit risky to attempt such question, this type of question. So try not to attempt any this type of question until you got confirmed. Only 1% answer correctly. It's amazing, na? 54% here. This question, 56, 54. So this is the last question, and I'm going to give some advice. Is this that attempt first of all those questions which are taking less time, less time, less time, which are taking less time. First attempt, firstly, all these questions you have to attempt all the questions which are taking less time, and then move to moderate, moderate, a little bit difficult, and then difficult. Okay, so attempt all difficult questions in the last, and all those questions which are taking very less time, attempt those questions firstly. So this is it from my side in this video for reasoning section. If you are going to attempt this year SBI clerk or any banking exam, then you have to work upon all these advices to score very well in this section of reasoning. Okay, so let's wind up this session. Thanks for watching.